What's up, guys? It's Rish again. So I'm in the process of trying to figure out how I'm gonna put on my wing. I just took off the headliner, a bunch of clips and whatnot. 3 screws clips going around. There's a bunch of clips going around on the side right here. And pre-made holes that I screw into, which would be up here because that's where they're gonna go. Like, just maybe these right there. So I was a little nervous of drilling. I had to do a little bit. Oh boy, now it's never not turning back. I mean, yeah, get holes in it now. We out here, boys. Slide out. It's kind of like denting it out. So we gotta file this down.
Right there?
Yeah, I got 3M tape. It's not as bad. Yeah.
You want a piece of cornbread?
I'm going back now, guys. Alright, guys. So, what we have here now, we got the holes done on either end. Filed down a bit. This side, we did it the wrong way, but we filed it down. That's decent. I had the wrong bolts, but I got the new ones because of Kendrick now. We've traded like a drug deal. And right now I forgot what this is called, something tape, some whatever, but I'm gonna put it around the holes so it doesn't end up leaking any water. And I'm gonna use that as like some 3M tape because I just don't feel like it's gonna be easier, quicker, and I just want to slap it on. So that being said, let's put this on. Alright guys, I got the goo tape shit on. Just spread it a little bit more. Got it on this side. So I'm gonna fit it up, then put the bolts in. So everything's already there, so basically all that's left. Yee.
They're almost good.
Look at the color matches. It's not naked anymore. Now I just gotta put on my visors. This is the final things with it. It was a long time coming. Shit. Guys, at my parents' house, about to wash this car finally, hand washing it because I haven't since forever. Chemical guys, extreme body wash plus wax, color brightening technology. This blue is gonna shine way more than it already is, even with its little defects. You always want to work your way from the top to the bottom. inside and all the dirt's gone. Then I have to just do the wheels, dry it off. That's it.